What is an immigration motion to remand for concession? Imagine your family's future hanging in the balance, and suddenly, a new piece of information could change everything. That's where a motion to remand for concession comes into play. It's a way to ask the immigration court to send your case back for reconsideration because new facts or approvals have emerged. In family-based immigration cases, especially for and married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, this process can be very helpful. Sometimes, after an initial court hearing, the government or the judge might agree that the person qualifies for a benefit like adjusting their status or avoiding removal. But the case might not have been fully decided or paperwork might be incomplete. That's when a motion to remand for concession is used. This motion asks the Board of Immigration Appeals to send the case back to the immigration judge. It's different from a motion to reopen, which is used when new evidence or laws come into play. A remand for concession is used when everyone agrees that the person should be allowed to apply for relief, but the case needs to be reviewed again to include new approvals or documents. For families, this can be a game changer. For example, if a U.S. citizen parent files a petition for their unmarried son or daughter and it gets approved while the case is on appeal, the family can request a remand. This allows the immigration judge to consider the new approval without starting the process all over. It saves time and helps families stay together. To file a motion to remand for concession, you need to include new evidence or documents that show why the person now qualifies for relief. You also need to explain why this information was not available earlier. The immigration judge will review the motion and decide whether to send the case back for further review. This process helps families avoid unnecessary delays and gives them a fair shot when new information becomes available. For Latino families navigating family-based immigration, understanding how a motion to remand for concession works can be a big help in reaching a positive outcome. It's a way to make sure that all the facts are considered and that families get the chance they deserve to stay together.